Whether you make your pizza dough or not, you need to rest the pizza dough before baking. This is my sourdough pizza dough that has been fermented for 5 days in the fridge. When the dough is slowly fermented, most of sugar will be gone because those healthy bacteria need to feed on sugar to survive. This is why sourdough is so healthy. Scrape off the dough with a bench scraper onto the cutting board. Put some oil so that the dough won't get sticky. Cut into quarters and make balls. Drizzle extra oil and cover with a kitchen towel for 30 minutes. Gluten needs to rest so that we can shape the dough. Simply stretch dough and make a log shape. This is easier to make than a round pizza. Also, it's easier to slice as well. You can make a boat-shaped pizza for fun. You don't even need a pizza stone for this recipe. Just use a baking sheet with a silicone baking mat or parchment paper. If there's a hole, just patch it up. Make lots of holes with a fork. This will prevent the dough from rising. Pre-bake one crust at 550 degrees for 7 to 8 minutes. Two crusts for 9 to 10 minutes or until the crust turns light brown. This additional step is so important to fully cook pizza crust so that they won't get soggy. Put sauce, cheese, and toppings. Bake additional 5 to 6 minutes for one pizza and 7 to 8 minutes for two pizzas. Bon appetit!